Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I figured I'd just come on and talk. I just filmed a video and you'll see this makeup look before this video comes out. I just want to talk about my no buy. Well, it's a low buy, a very low buy. It's going well. A lot of the makeup that you're seeing me shop my stash in and palettes that are coming out, they're in my collection from last year. Yeah, it's taken me a while. I realized I was overbuying because I only film 8 videos a month. Thursday and Friday. If you didn't catch that video, I drop new videos on Thursday, Friday now. Well, anyways, it's going good. I may, after this year, shift into a no-buy and just do project pan stuff, you know. We'll see how that goes. I would like to start a project, though, of like 10 uses. I have a lot of makeup and I just want to get use out of it. So, stuff like that. But, you know, so a lot of the makeup that I pulled this past month from my Shop My Stash is for videos, to do videos with. I know a lot of people get confused by my channel because are you a project panner or are you a makeup reviewer? I don't know what I'm going to be yet, but I just know that I can't afford the pace of keeping up with reviewing new makeup. I think I'm going to turn into a project panner that brings in 1 item a month to their collection. I'm just going to, I have a very large collection. I mean, in these 2 5-Dot Alex, I have close to 200 palettes. I mean, that's a lot. I do need to do declutter. Declutter's probably not going to happen until the end of the year. Or I may put it in a Shop My Stash. A lot of people have questions like, how do you know when the makeup's gone bad? I know, I can tell like when a foundation goes bad because it separates. I can tell that, and I've known, like I know how long I've had things for. So if it smells bad, if it separates, I mean, even palettes start to smell bad when they go off. And you can tell that the powder isn't as good. I've already decluttered some concealers. You didn't see that. So a lot of the decluttering that's going on is behind the scenes. Well, anyways, it's just a short video for Sunday. I hope you all having a great day. Well, for Friday. Hope you're all having a great day getting ready for your weekend. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.